Are you searching for the most spectacular spot to buy appliances? Visit Premier Appliance Store, centrally located in San Diego. Premier Appliance is your one-stop appliance store for new appliances under full factory warranty from all major manufacturers: LG, GE, Cafe, Profile, Samsung, Electrolux, Frigidaire, Smeg, Z-Line, Sharp, NXR, iLive, and Speed Queen, with commercial, residential, and much more. Choose from a large assortment of washers, dryers, stoves, and freezers at our warehouse at the lowest prices in town. Next day delivery and a professional installation guarantee. We make sure that our customers are highly satisfied with their purchases and that their homes are equipped with the best appliances. We offer easy financing plus an extended warranty. Stop by our store located at 7160 Miramar Road, Unit 126. Call today at 858-304-6444 or visit our website at premierappliancestore.com.